morning, boss. Good morning, madam.
Morning, El.
Good morning, boss. Good morning, madam.
Hi.
Hi.
Smile sa first L. Dito, L. Tingin ka, Mami L. Smile. Dito, oh. Smile. Wala, may ano. Wala, El. Pag hindi ka mag-smile, El, kaya palabasin ka. El, di na, El. Smile, El. Smile.
Wait.
Hello. Sige, ano sabihin mo, Iliana?
Saan kayo magbakasyon?
Bakit magbakasyon? Ano pala ngayon? Nasaan ang lola mo?
Nasa Mako.
Anong ginawa niya doon?
Nag-sleep siya 2 days doon.
Bakit? Ano pala ngayon? Bakasyon niya pala ngayon? Mapunta kayo doon?
Bukas.
Bukas? Anong day pala bukas?
Friday.
Friday. Kaninong
Birthday ng tita ko.
Anong name ng tita mo?
Tita Sel.
Tita Sel. Anong sabihin mo sa kanya kasi birthday niya bukas?
Happy birthday, Tita Sel.
Yung single ng gaya sa Diana. Ano ginawa? 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ikaw dati.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Si Iliana pa mag-lead ng birthday nila sa kanilang moving up. Sige, Iliana, yung na-memorize mo lang first. 3, 2, 1. Yung sa Dear God ka mag-start. 3, 2, 1, start.
Dear God, today is a special day for us. We thank you for all the fun and learning. Help us to remember that just like in school, we are part of something bigger, our family, our church.
Yung teach us.
Teach us to listen to each other and work together.
Go.
Pledge of kindness. I pledge to myself on this happy day to try to be kind on every way. On every person, big or small, I will help them if they fall. I love myself and others too. If they fall,
That's the best thing.
that's the best thing that I can do.
Sino yan? Lula ang nandyan.
Na-memorize mo na lahat?
Yung isa pa na-memorize niya, Lula. Yung bago sa prayer, hindi pa niya na-memorize, Lula.
Sabi ko, ulit-ulitin mo sa chapel, may meeting kami. Sabi ko, ulit-ulitin mo pagbasa. Hindi, mainit masyado na kung di ko nga dinala sa...
Go. Teach us.
Teach us to listen to each other and work together, like the different parts of a body working together.
Good job. Oh. Start now.
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Return your once perfect. Rain, rain, go away.
Oh, it's Iliam's turn. Daddy finger. 3, 2, 1, start.
Daddy finger. No, ikaw huwag mag-sing with daddy finger. Finger, where are you? Here I am. Here I am. No, I am one.
Oh, Iliam's turn.
Finger, mom.
Iliam na naman, te. Go, Iliam.
Mommy finger, where are you?
Here I am. How do you do?
Brother finger, where are you? Ikaw. Brother finger, where are you? Sabi ka na, here I am. Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, baby. Ako yung baby, ate ko. Baby finger, where
that you sing in the classroom?
Huh?
What? You don't understand?
Yung gising ko sa classroom.
Yes.
It is a happy day for us, your little one. Or now our year response, a year of world and fun. Farewell, but Mother Gada. Farewell, Mother dear. We will come back to you. Assumption, our assumption to you, our parents dear, and you, our teachers too. A word for our good, we say thank you, thank you. Farewell, but not goodbye. Farewell, but Mother dear. We will come back to you. Assumption, dear Assumption. Farewell, but my goodbye is a happy day for us, dear little one. Or now, or you response, a year of world and fun. Farewell, but not goodbye. Farewell, but Mother dear. I will come back to you. Assumption, our assumption. Farewell, but I. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. Very good.
Hindi, pabara mo ako sa sample.
Alright, start
Ganyan ka lang
now.
kung may start na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 59, 90,
Oh, go.
91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Now you do the addition. 1 plus 1.
Addition, that's addition.
1 plus 1.
Equals 2.
Okay, that's addition. Mag-add ka. 2 plus 3.
5.
Very good. How about 4 plus 2?
4 plus 2?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
Okay, very good. How about
Wag ka man sigat.
2 plus 1?
2 plus 1?
Yeah.
3.
How about
Easy.
easy? How about 2 plus 2?
4.
Very good. How about 2 plus 5?
2 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7.
Very good. How about 10 plus 1?
10 plus 1. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11. Equals 11.
Very good. 5 minus 1.
5 minus 1 equals 4.
Very good.
I'm good at this.
How about
Easy.
4 minus 2?
4 minus 2.
Yes.
4 minus 2. 2.
Very good. How about 3 minus 2?
3 minus 1. 1
How about 1 minus 1?
minus 0.
Very good. How about 3 minus 3?
0.
Very good. How about 10 minus 1?
10 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9.
Very good. That's what we call subtraction.
Fraction.
And 1 plus 1?
2.
Ayan.
Hi, Doggy. You're
May
so...
dugi na nagdaan. It's time to go back.
I have a story to you.
To go back?
Davao City.
Go na.
Sabi daw ni Daddy, Mami. Sabi daw ni Daddy, yung Daddy daw sa classmate niya. Yun, halimbawa, meron mananakaw no, tapos bariyo niya yun, yung tao kasi naglakaw man siya ng money, tapos naging white lady yun siya, tapos nakita ng Daddy sa friend ni Daddy Edward na sa yung naga-deliver good, meron di ba box sa likod na motor, sometimes nakita ko mga good yung green siya kaping, ano gani yun?
Delivery.
Yung meron na
Grab tsaka Food Panda.
yung meron nagawagay good ng food doon. Tapos yun, sabi daw ng daddy ng friend ni Daddy Edward, yung husband mo, meron daw white lady na nakasakay doon. Yun man, giba rin ng mananakaw. Tapos, doon niya. Yun nangyari. Tapos, gisend ng daddy sa friend ni Daddy Edward. Tapos, gisend ng friend ni Daddy Edward sa kanya. Gi-watch namin yun. Hindi pa kuman magad ako. Tapos, tawag mo ako. Tapos, hindi ko narinig kasi nag-watch ako yun. Tapos, nababay.